insecure after seeing a photo of yourself, this video is for you. By the end, you'll understand the science behind it and hopefully feel a lot better about how you actually look. Let's get into it. E1 and the mirror effect, your brain's favorite version of you. Every day you see yourself in the mirror, but there's something important about that image. It's flipped. Your mirror shows you a thought-reversed version of your face, the version your brain is most familiar with. Over time, your brain decides, this is the correct me. So when you see a photo which shows the real, unflipped version, your brain reacts like, that looks wrong. Not because you look bad, but because you look different from what you're used to. This is called the mere exposure effect. We prefer what we see more often. Eyes. As two cameras distort your face, yes, literally. Cameras don't see the way human eyes do. Most phone cameras use wide-angle lenses, especially the front camera. These lenses stretch whatever is closest to the camera, shrink whatever is farther away. That means your nose can look bigger. Your face can look wider. Your jawline can look softer. In real life and in the mirror, people see you in upload-do. Photos flatten you into siataudas, which changes proportions. So no, your face is not actually shaped like that. It's optical distortion. Eyes. 3. Lighting is everything. In real life, lighting is dynamic. It moves, it softens, it changes with your angle. But in photos, lighting is frozen at the worst possible millisecond. Bad lighting can create harsh shadows, highlight texture, deepen under eye circles, flatten your facial structure. Even professional models look terrible in bad lighting. Lighting doesn't show what you look like. It shows what the light happens to be doing at that exact second. Eyes. But your face is built for motion, not freezing. You rarely see your own face completely frozen in real life. But photos capture you. Mid-blink, mid-word, mid-expression. Your face is designed to be expressive and fluid, not paused forever. A single frame does not represent how you truly look moving, talking, smiling, or existing in real life. Eyes. You judge yourself differently than others do. Here's the hard